Good morning, everyone. So, welcome back to Time with Eric and Marie. And this morning, I'm going to just bring you views from Alicante. It's my early morning walk. It's just about 7 a.m., but the sun hasn't risen yet. And I'm just going to show you through town and the activities of the people of Alicante in the morning. It's so serene, and the sun will rise around 8:11. So I'm going to bring you sunrise as well from the marina area or from the beach area. Let's see how it goes. But beautiful colors, as you can see in the background, and I'm going to bring you everything.
The Parc de Calinejas is one of the most foremost and visitors parks in the city of Alicante, primarily for its close proximity to the port, running parallel to the marina, and joining onto the famous Esplanada de España. But also is famous for its gigantic ficus trees that offer shade and cool to visitors at any time of the day. It's just minutes away from the airport and main high street, which is the Rambla, with free parking which is offered to visitors and tourists alike. Despite being the oldest park in the city, this park has rarely changed since its inception, from when the architect González Altes designed it in 1886, with the same magnificent ficus trees that reach up to about 20 meters in height and have long, thick branches that resemble elephant trunks, some of which are so heavy after years of growth, with metal bars now supporting them. Nowadays, the only thing that you can see that has changed in the park is the addition to the construction of a children's play area, some outdoor gym equipment, allowing both adults and children to make the most of this shady area in the heat of the summer months.
goodness, the scenery is so breathtaking. Just about sunrise, and as I showed you earlier, I'm in awe of the creation of God. It's amazing. The peace, the quietness, the tranquility, everything is amazing, mesmerizing. I'm dumbfounded. Hope you're enjoying the views. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you do. Invite all your friends, share the link to the channel as we bring you scenes from around the world. Guys, never delay anything in your life. Whatever is on your mind, do it now. Whatever you feel like doing, as long as it's right with yourself, as long as it's right with God, just do it. Don't wait for anything. There's nothing in delayed gratification. Just do it now, because you're not guaranteed tomorrow. You're not guaranteed the next day. You're not guaranteed anything. So whatever it is on your mind, if you want to travel, travel. If you want to paint, paint. If you want to take a new career, do it. If you want to just pursue a passion of yours, do it now. Don't wait. Just look behind me. That's the mountain with the castle. We'll be going there later today, so it will be in one of our videos following this one. So continue watching videos from this channel. It will bring you scenes from Alicante in Spain.